The Zarges Bamboo Travel Top. This handcrafted travel top is made in the U.S. from high-quality natural edge grain bamboo. It's perfect for a butcher block, charcuterie board, cocktail table, computer desk, or game board. This hand-assembled board uses SOSS concealed hinges to ensure for excellent quality. The custom cutouts fit snugly on your Zarges case and folds in half for storage with your K470 cases. Now let's go over applying cutting board oil and board cream. The travel top comes with Howard oil and Howard board conditioner. First, apply a generous amount of the oil. Use the microfiber provided to spread it evenly across the whole board. Coat the sides too. Make sure to give the bottom of the board a coat as well. We recommend multiple coats. Fold the board in half and get inside where the hinges are located as well. Let the board soak in the oil for a few hours. After the board is dried as much as possible, wipe off excess and use Howard conditioner to provide an effective combination of protection outer layer and a sealed bamboo that is sanitary and easy to clean and won't warp.